In this video we are going to complete example 1 and we're going to express the following numbers as a product of their prime factors, and in order to do this we're going to use what is called a factor tree. And we'll start with the number 90 and we're going to draw two branches coming out, and we're going to think what two numbers multiply to give 90. I can think of 9 and 10. 9 times 10 is 90. Once you've done that, you then try and branch out again. Let's branch out from the 9 and also branch out from the 10. So to make 9 we go 3 times 3, and to make 10 we go 2 times 5. Once we get to these numbers we don't really need to branch out anymore. In fact, I'll show you what happens if you try to branch out. If I branch out from the 3, what multiplies to make 3? Well, 3 and 1. But there's really no point doing that because otherwise you're just going to keep repeating the 3. Now the reason we're stopping there is because all four numbers are prime, all the ones I'm circling now, which means there's no point branching out any longer. And these four numbers become your prime factors. So the number 90 is made of the factors 2, 3, another 3, and a 5. Notice that you can have more than one of the same number in your factors. Now, we're actually going to take this another step. Because there are two 3's, we're going to write it as 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times 5. So we're also going to incorporate indices into our factors. Let's now find the prime factors of 3,960. So the most obvious factors I can see here at the moment is 396 times 10, and the 10 can break up into 2 and 5. Now I'm going to circle them because 2 and 5 are primes. There's no point branching out any further from those two numbers. Now moving on to the number 396. 396 can be broken into the factors 2 and 198. The 2 is a prime number, so I'm going to circle it. That branch ends at the 2. The 198 can be broken into two factors of 99 and 2. Once again, I have another prime number. I will now branch out from the 99 and get 9 and 11, since 9 times 11 is 99. 11 is also a prime number, so I'm going to circle it. And then finally the 9 branches down into 3 and 3, which are both prime. So this number 3,960 has a lot of factors. It's got 3 2's, 2 times 2 times 2. It's got 2 3's. It's got a 5. And it's got an 11. And we like to write them using indices. So because we've got 3 2's, we write 2 to the power of 3. We have 2 3's, so 3 to the power of 2, 1 5, and 1 11. That concludes our video on example 1. Remember to read the description below for links to worksheets that relate to this video.